Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will understand how exactly to acquire a real-time video feed through your webcam or the cam and then to detect edges for that real-time video feed. I mean, we get the feed and we analyze it, we detect the edges for that input video feed. That's it. How do we do it? It's very simple and elegant. Let me go through the code, explain you step by step, and then we will understand things clearly. We will also see a quick demo as in how does it work so that you can understand the process a bit easier. As usual, we need to do the initialization with importing CV2, import numpy as NP, and the first line is prominent. We need to have that as usual. And then we go with the cap equal to cv2 dot video capture. This is the stage and the step where we enable the webcam or the cam to capture the video feed. We need time to analyze and we need continuous frames, so I make it while of one there, and then return comma frame equal to cap dot read. We are reading the frames one by one, and then I name that video feed window as the input frame. That's it. This is a window where the video feed will be displayed, which is nothing but the input feed. Now I detect the edges. cv2.edge for the input feed. The frame is the name of the input feed, so we detected. The arguments 100, 100 will detect the edges, and if you change the values, the edge detection will be more depth and more details can be obtained with it. You can try changing the values later. And then I'm showing the detected edges as separate video window, and this is for you to this will permit you to press the escape and then to close the process. Until and unless you press escape, this window will be displayed and the real-time video feed will be analyzed and the edges will be presented to you easily as ever. And this step will wait for your escape key pressing, and with that it will be done. And finally, what do we need to do? We need to release the cap.release is like releasing the camera. That's it. I'm going to run it for you right now. Let me clear the screen. I'm running it. You can see that the edges are detected for my image right now, I mean my video feed right now, and I'm showing hi, and this video feed is in parallel being shown with the edge detection. I'm saying hi and my fingers are detected, hand is detected properly, and the edges are being shown as appropriately as it has to be. And this is very simple, elegant, and easy to use. You can see that it's perfectly real time in fact. So that's it. We have simply detected it, and it's the easiest way one could go for a real-time edge detection through the camera feed. And I hope you have understood it. If you have any questions, suggestions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer it. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.